now. Before you heard the sound. Now. You say this relentless voice, we say, and you said that, okay, so I'm reading what you're saying. You said the relentless voice, you say it subsides, but that doesn't seem to be the experience here, but I don't remember saying it subsides. You see? I just remember saying that you will not come to it subsiding if you keep thinking about it subsiding. And this is exactly what you're doing. You see? Lose concern about it subsiding and see what happens. Lose concern about that which you think you are. Let go of all its plan, including even the highest plan. Let go and see for yourself what is true right here and now, automatically. Are you still here? What does that one look like? You see? And one more tip I want to give you that's an important one. Don't play in the playground of your mind if you want the truth. Because your mind is telling you all these stories and you're just playing with it. What else is there in your existence beyond this stream of words telling you these separating messages or desiring messages? What else is there? For a moment, let's not even say, okay, don't play with the mind. I'm just asking, is there any other playground? Or is that the only playground you have in your entire existence? Is that the only playground you have? Let me introduce you to other playgrounds. Yeah? This playground is there. You see? It is empty of interpretation and meaning. It is empty of desire and duality. You see? And this whole playground is being missed because we are just in this playground. You see, the phenomenal playground of the world is being missed. We are actually missing our life because we are just playing in our head. This false knowledge is making us miss our entire life. You know how much beautiful light is there in this moment? How beautiful the tiniest sound sounds. Isn't it? It's fantastic. But you're missing the whole movie for the subtitles, you see? And the subtitles are all messed up. And the thing is that we feel that our subtitles are a true representation of our life. And what do we become? We become these very constricted, limited beings in those subtitles. We let go of the subtitles. What are you? Without referring to your mind, without referring to your notions, what are you? Where is your boundary? Where do you start? Where do you end? So play in this playground if you want to. It's here for you to play. But lose all ideas of what that should mean, because that can get you in trouble. Where else can you play? You can play in your being, in your presence. Why would you want to give up this divine presence, which is the light of your very heart? The source of this creation, the source of all love, peace, joy, and everything is here. Your very existence, your very presence. Play with that. As that. And if you want to play in my favorite playground, play in the playground which is aware even of this presence. You see, check. What is that? Aware even of this presence. That which forms the substratum for that which itself is the substratum for the universe. So the world is here for you, your being is here for you, your reality as the Supreme Self is here for you to play with. And to play with all of these, you see, all you need to do is let go of the subtitles. Is that so much of a difficult task? You see?